Hello, my name is Skip Stewart. The aircraft I fly is a modified biplane. It's based on a Pitts S2S airframe. The engine is an AEIO 540 EXP. It's a horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine that burns 100 low lead gasoline. This airplane has 4 fuel tanks. There's 2 tanks in the front. They both fill through this filler in the front. There's a main tank that fills a header tank. This fuel tank has smoke oil in it for the air show. It starts off with approximately 12 gallons. There's another 2 tanks that are located in this position. Fills through that filler neck on the top. It'll have approximately 12 gallons of 100 low lead aviation fuel in it during the air show. In the cockpit here, you'll see all of the electrical switches are here. When everything is down, it's off. This is the propeller control. This is the mixture control. By pushing this knob and pulling this out, that will shut off the fuel at the engine. Down here we have the fuel selector valve. If that position is forward, it is off. And the position it's in now is the main tank, and the forward position will be the aux tank, which is for smoke oil. So to turn the fuel off, you would turn it forward, and that would turn the fuel off at this point. But there's still fuel between the tanks and this point here. This is the seat. Behind the seat, you can pull this panel forward and you will see the battery. Now these sides of the fuselage in this area are made of fabric on both sides. So if you wanted to turn to clip the controls for the battery, you can simply slice this with a knife and reach in there and cut the battery cables loose. This side is positive, which is the left side of the aircraft. That side is negative, which is the right side of the aircraft. This airplane has a bubble canopy, which can be seen here. Normally it would slide aft like this. There are 2 metal tabs here that rotate forward on each side and simply slip over this screw to hold the canopy closed. If you needed to, you could slip a knife or a screwdriver through this gap to pop it loose on both sides, or simply grab the plexiglass from behind to rip it off. And of course you could use a canopy breaking tool to break the canopy loose. Okay, I'm seated in the airplane now. There's 2 primary lap belts. There's also a crotch strap and 2 shoulder straps. The bottom part of this belt is primarily a secondary system, but they both connect just by lifting this hook. This will attach it on both sides, and simply lifting it will get out. And then the crotch strap and each shoulder strap go on this blade on the top belt. And hook it into place like this. And then ratchets down with a ratchet. So to get me out of the airplane, you would simply lift both of these levers, which will release all of the seat belts, grab me by the parachute, pull me out by the parachute. If the airplane's upside down, obviously, and you disconnect this seat belt, I'll fall out. So if that's the case, you would be sure to make sure that there's someone to catch me in case I fall out.